Hello everyone, welcome in. I'm Taffany and this is Tika's Gardens, and today I am going to be doing a little planting. I have some society garlic. I have a Eugenia shrub that I dug up when I removed it from the side driveway to plant a camellia that I'm not sure where I'm going to put it, but I need to figure that out. So we're going to plant the society garlic, find a place for the camellias. For the Eugenia that I had to pull up for the camellias, and I need to water the camellias. I was out earlier today planting them, and the weather got bad. The wind was heavy and all that, so I thought I was done for the day, but the rains never came, and I thought it was going to rain, so I didn't water the camellias. So I need to water those in. So those are the three things I want to try to get done this evening. So let's get the society garlic put in ground first. Let's figure out where to put the Eugenia shrub, and then let's water the camellias on the driveway. So let's get started. So guys, I almost forgot to show you what my society garlic looks like, and also show you where I want to put them. So let me show you what I have. So I have two society garlics in green. I already have one that kind of has a silver leaf or variegated leaf, but I've got two green ones. So we're gonna get those put in ground in this spot right behind me. So let me give you a close-up look. All right guys, so I have stepped back a little bit so I can give you a point of reference. This is the walkway bed that I made a few months back. Many of you may remember that, which is lined with the columnar ligustrums at the end, and this collection of flowers right here where I have some snapdragons and irises, and one society garlic, which is this one in the variegated form. These empty spaces back here, one right here and the other right there, that is where I plan to put the green society garlic that I have. So that's the plan, is to fill in the empty spaces. All right, guys. Well, I've got the society garlic in, so I need to get it watered. So we're gonna do that, and we're going to water the camellias. And one thing I did forget to mention in my previous video is that camellias like acidic soil. And I'm not sure how acidic my soil is, but there are amendments that I can use for the specific planting spots for those camellias. So whew, I'm out of breath, not from planting that, but from a bunch of different things I've been doing today and then jumping into this. So I started out out of breath. So yeah, getting older, what can I say? But yeah, we'll get those watered, we'll get the camellias watered, and we'll figure out where to put the Eugenia. I'm just looking around and I'm not sure, but let's focus on one thing at a time. Let's water. When all else fails, I can just put it in the courtyard garden for right now and figure out something later. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to plant it in the courtyard garden just so that it is in the ground and not, I've got some dirt in my eye, but so that it's in the ground and not just sitting out with the roots exposed. So that's what we're going to do, head to the courtyard garden right now. water hose doesn't reach back here, so I'm just gonna have to use a watering can to water. But everything's at least in ground for right now, so I'm done with all the planting. Thank goodness. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today. It is evening. It's starting to get a little dusk out here. Still heavily clouded. Really pretty cloud formation off in front of me. I'm feeling some rain right now coming down. So that's it for now. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for gardening with me. Take care. Bye.